2 ways to fix this one or this 2 unknown. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for run. Then search cmd admin. Then simply click on enter. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, write chkdsk and write which one of your disk is not working. I'm typing F, click on enter. After that, your problem will be solved. Second way to fix it is by typing diskbart. Simply click on enter. My access is denied. It's not working on my laptop. It can work on your laptop. And that's how you fix disk 1 or disk 2 unknown. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.